Hey, what's good, Driving Addict fans? Today we're doing a unboxing video of the Patagonia men's down sweater hoodie, men's down jacket. So I bought this jacket on Patagonia's official website at Patagonia.com. So it's this jacket right here, men's down sweater hoodie for $279 plus tax. I think I've been losing like 10 pounds since I've been working at Amazon in beginning of May 2020, and it's like what, January 2021 now. So in 8 months I've lost like 10-15 pounds. I have a scale, but I don't weigh myself every day, you know. I used to be a size small, but now I'm like an extra small because I've been losing like 10-15 pounds, and my other jackets don't keep me warm anymore. This jacket here is really good, but it's very thick, you know. It's a Canada Goose that I bought like 3 years ago, but it's too thick for me to wear to go deliver for Amazon. It's really cold here in Dayton, Ohio in the winter. The wind chill can be like 10-15 degrees like in December and January, so it gets really cold. We don't get Amazon jackets until we work there for like a year or something. So you have to bring your own jacket. And so like for the last couple of months, I just wear like 2 jackets, and I think it's just a hassle. So I finally save up some money to buy myself a nice jacket. And today we're gonna do an unboxing video of this Patagonia men's down sweater hoodie. Alright, check it out. Alright fam, let's open up, see what's inside. So I bought this on Patagonia's official website at Patagonia.com for $279 plus tax. And it's like, I think it's free ground shipping, so it took like, I think like four business days with FedEx. So let's unbox it. So I guess it's just a jacket. And here's the receipt for the $279. No shipping charge plus tax. There's black, color is black. I guess for jacket, black is the best color. Right? And I'm gonna try it on for you guys to watch. And I usually don't wear a hat, but I've been wearing my beanie all day and my head is all messy. So. Alright, let's try it on. So this jacket is, you know, very thin compared to my Canada Goose jacket. The Canada Goose is super warm, but it's very thick. It's very hard to work with that jacket compared to this Patagonia. And I've been losing like 10 pounds, so I'm back to extra small now. It's perfect fit, I guess. And it's got the hoodie with it, you know. So perfect fit, you know. I don't know how warm it is yet. I haven't tested out, but so far it feels warm, you know. I think the temperature rating on this is about 32 degrees Fahrenheit, so it should be warm enough. Alright, one more last look at the jacket. Alright fam, so there you have it, Patagonia's down jacket. So this is actually my first Patagonia jacket, you know. I usually wear North Face or Columbia, but this is my first Patagonia. I've heard good things about it, like it's like the best jacket for hiking and camping and stuff. And let's read what the label says, you know. Patagonia men's down sweater hoodie. So their down is what they call it, traceable down. So they're like into like animal welfare and stuff. So I guess that's good, you know. Recycled polyester, and it's made in Bangladesh, the country right next to India, Bangladesh. So you know, so I guess it's the best thing for me to wear to go deliver Amazon packages in the cold. You know, just wearing one jacket and one thermal sweater inside, and I think that'll be good. You know. Alright fam, so there you have it, you know, unboxing of Patagonia's men's down hoodie jacket. You can buy it on Patagonia's official website at patagonia.com for $279 plus tax, or you can buy it on third-party websites, whatever. I know sometimes on Amazon they sell a lot of fake brand name stuff, so I didn't want to take a chance, you know, but Amazon has the best return policy by far with any online shopping website, you know. But I know, like, I tend not to buy expensive stuff on Amazon, you know, because it could be fake and stuff. So just go to the brand's official website if you want to buy something, you know, a little bit more expensive, I guess. And thanks everybody for watching this unboxing video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Please hit like, and if you really like it, please share it. Have a wonderful day. Have a warm day if you live in a cold state like Ohio or Michigan, you know, Massachusetts, whatever, when it's snowing all the time. So so happy to have this jacket so I can go deliver in the cold, you know. I can lift heavy totes and do you know, walk fast and run with this jacket compared to this really thick jacket, you know, or I have to wear two jackets instead. Have a nice day everybody. Stay safe out there. Peace.